How to sell an ebook on Instagram step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step, no BS guide to selling ebooks on Instagram. So this can be done for free using an external tool, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in this video. So what you need to do is you're going to go over to withkoji.com. Okay, so we're going to come to withkoji.com. Okay, and once you go over to withkoji.com, what you're gonna get over here is all this. So Koji, sell anything on social media. Now over here you can use Koji to sell ebooks. So here it says a few things: start selling on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and click on get started. Once you click on get started, it's gonna give you all these things. So create your account through whatever you want. I'm gonna go with my email address, so I'm gonna choose my email address, add that over here. We're gonna add our password. Okay, and once we go with the whole adding the password thing, we're gonna go ahead and click on login, and it might ask you to confirm your email and everything. And once all of that is done, it's a piece of cake, and it's gonna bring you here. Now first of all, you're gonna choose your seller details. So you're gonna choose your Instagram ID that you're gonna be selling it for. Now this is my main ID, so I'm not gonna be selling on this, but we are going to be selling it on a separate ID, which is this one over here. So once we're on this ID, what we are going to want to do is we're going to choose the username for this ID. Okay, and the username for this ID is paradiddle.ys. Okay, as you can clearly see. So we're going to basically upload that. So you're going to remove this, and we're going to add paradiddle.ys. You're going to add that in, and you're going to add the name of just add your own name, doesn't really matter. So once you've added that, you're gonna add your phone number, which again isn't really necessary. It isn't a compulsion, you could say, but if you do add it, that would be much easier and it would make more sense. So just go ahead and add your phone number, and once you have added your phone number, from there on out just click on submit. Once you do that, here it's gonna say connect your bank account. Okay, so you can connect your Stripe or your PayPal. Now the reason it's going to ask you to connect your bank account is to deposit money or to deposit any other type of separate thing. So this is obviously to get started, to complete your seller profile. Now obviously I would prefer Stripe more than PayPal, because PayPal would be better if you're in the United States, but if you're outside of the United States, then definitely go with Stripe. Once you've done that, we're going to move on to dashboard. And in dashboard, you can see a few things. And this is basically, your wallet, where you can see the amount of funds that you have gathered, amount of earnings you've made. You can see the revenue, purchase volume, top customers, visitor sources, through Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. You can see the countries you've been more visited from, and a whole lot more. So these are really important things that you're gonna have on Koji as a creator, and trust me, they're gonna work really amazingly for you. Now obviously, once you've done all of that, let's talk about how you're gonna actually make an ebook for yourself. Okay, so to sell an ebook on Instagram, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead where it says your link in bio. Okay, you're gonna open that up, and once you open that up, you're going to click on either edit profile, or you're gonna click on view Koji profile. And you can also add your own Koji. So for that, you can add different templates and different apps for Koji. But again, I'm just gonna go in your link in bio, and I'm gonna go on view your bio, and it starts launching things, and it's gonna launch this up. So it says add Kojis and links to your profile. So obviously we're going to click on get started. Now once you click on get started, it takes you up over here, and trust me, this is going to make a lot of sense. So here's your username. You're going to choose your bio. Let's say I'm just going to write hi for now. Then you're going to add more social links that you could have. You could have Clubhouse, Facebook, Instagram, all these things, but that's for later. You can add profile links and all that. But what we really want to do is add this app over here. It says sell digital product, ebooks, etc. We're going to click on add. And once you click on add, we're going to go ahead and click on sell digital products. We're going to click on configure. And once you click on configure, you're going to start adding the styling and configurations for this. Okay, so in this case, you're going to choose your styles. There's pastel and chic, there's retro dark, there's all these different styles that you can add for yourself. So I'm just going to go with retro dark because it looks pretty cool. You're going to click on next. You're going to add store details. So I'm just going to call it John's paper. I'm just going to call it that for now, even though it's ebook, but you get the point. Then you can add a banner image for yourself if you want to. A banner image that fits well with your retro background. So I'm just going to go with this. Okay. And once you've added a banner image for yourself, what you're going to do from there is you're going to click on next. Make sure to fit your banner image as perfectly as you can. It's going to open things up. There we go. So you know what? Yeah, I'm just going to add it like this. So once you go with your banner image, you're going to click on save. Once we click on save, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead into the next step, which is obviously, getting all your publishing on. And once you've published everything, what it will do is it will give you the products that you want to sell. Okay. So as you can see, we've added selling digital products over here, and we're going to view to see the actual digital products that we want to sell on this. Okay, so you can also add different links into this for yourself. Let's say I'm going to come here and click on save, and once you click on save, I'm going to click on save here again. And once you click on save again, what it will do is it will load this up. So here we go. John's paper. It's going to load things up. And once you click on it, people will be leaded to this page where it says John's paper. You're going to get this banner image. Now, obviously, right now it says nothing for sale, because obviously we haven't put anything up for sale, but that is exactly what we're going to do right now. So you can fulfill store details, and you're going to go in my items where it says add digital file. So you can start selling by adding a digital file. And now this is where you're going to start adding different products into your digital store. So add a name and description. Let's say I'm going to call this book The Wizard of Oz, just as an example. Then there's descriptions that you can add. You can add images or videos of the product. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to write Wizard of Oz PDF. Okay. And once you go on Wizard of Oz PDF, I'm just going to go ahead and download some random PDF that we have over here. And moving on, then we're going to add, we're also going to download some random Wizard of the Oz image. Make sure it's good quality. I'm going to go with this one because it's the oldest one and it has the best quality in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, add that there, go and add images. I'm going to add the image of Wizard of Oz, and then you're going to upload the final file, which is obviously going to be the product that you're selling. And that product is going to be this PDF file over here. Okay. So just go ahead and add the PDF file. And once you've added that, you're going to add the payment amount for yourself. So let's say I'm going to put it up for $45. And you could be like, it's free to download or free with email sign up. That obviously depends on you, but yeah, you get the point. Once you've done this, you're going to click on save. And yeah, you're going to be pretty much good to go. So just download your PDF, upload it over here. And that is how you're going to start selling products and ebooks on Instagram. So obviously also one more thing is if I reload this, my Koji link will appear in my actual Instagram bio that people can obviously access and start finding my online store off on. So yeah, as I said, that's basically it when it comes to selling ebooks on Instagram. So that's about it for this video. Now if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Until then, that's about it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.